where we are.
We just reached at Calgary International Airport, and right now we are in the line of check-in. We already done on the website, but they told us, they advised us on the website, so to go to get in check-in assistance. So we are here right now, and we're gonna meet you in a bit. Yeah. We are in the shuttle right now, so we took the shuttle to get our gate. So we are at YYC. Look at that.
Just make a quick stop at C station. Please remain seated, folks.
Hello.
So we're just after 2 hours delay, we're just boarding. So we're going inside. We just got on, and the airplane is doing taxi right now, and we're just about to fly. So look at that.
We'll be giving the cabin leg a permission for takeoff, and for the duration of the flight, you can use the reading light located just above your head. If you press the flight calendar button by mistake, press 1.
Smoking is only permitted on the designated.
Me and Dia just reached Toronto Pearson Airport, and we're waiting for our connecting flight right now. So I just want to give you a little bit, show you here. Here there are table, you can take a look, and they have the iPads here, and you can rent those through this ATM machine. You just swipe your card, ATM card, and you can use that, both of those iPad. So that's pretty good and awesome. So over my journey, I'll continuously give you the updates. Stay tuned with Enjoy Star Food. Thank you. Here comes our breakfast. We got sausages, bell pepper, omelette, potato wedge, and we got shawarma wrap as well. So right now we're enjoying our breakfast,
And we just finished bread and butter and jam.
Yeah, so we just finished bread and butter.
Because we are so hungry,
Yeah.
so
Oh, we're really hungry, and we actually missed some of the pieces here. But anyways,
and I got my tea.
I got coffee here. So it's kind of a messy table right now. But anyways, it is good actually. It's expensive, but it's good. Look at that, guys. How much Toronto airport is busy, man. Look at that. Oh, wonderful crowd here. Everybody is waiting for boarding in. You see that? It's a very small piece of Toronto Pearson Airport, this area, and look at that, how many people are boarding inside. Oh man. Oh wow. Boarding after 2 hours of delay, right? So
Your
you can
tired
see
face.
tired face with swelling eyes,
Yeah.
right? So anyways, we're just so the airplane is packed and the airport is packed as well. So anyways, see you in the airplane.